Introducing Tessera FR, tufted carpets for rail applications. Tessera FR is a collection of attractive, hard-wearing tufted carpets offered in various pile constructions and textures that deliver aesthetic styling and outstanding performance. The installation of carpet in a rail vehicle adds significant warmth, comfort, acoustic benefits, and great aesthetics. There are many unique features of Tessera FR carpets. Flexibility to recolour existing designs. Utilising the latest Infinity tufting technology allows infinite flexibility for the development of bespoke designs. Cut to shape, size option. Available with ProFit backing for quicker installation. Reaction to fire EN 45545-2 standard, achieving an HL2 rating. There are 3 designs within the Tessera FR collection, each offering specific aesthetic and performance benefits. Tessera Alignment FR is a sophisticated and cleverly textured cut and loop carpet with linear styling. Multi-height loops give this distinctive floor covering a bold, directional theme, which is tempered by the introduction of intersecting random blocks of rich cut pile. Tessera Alignment FR is available in 24 colourways. Each reference is composed of 7 individual colours, so that the colour complexity helps to disguise the visual effect of soiling. Tessera Helix FR, an understated linear design with geometric elements, combining luxurious rich texture and visual appeal through its use of silver metallic yarn. Tessera Nexus FR, merging a metallic web overlay with a sophisticated striated ground, Tessera Nexus FR creates a network of connections in 9 contemporary colourways. The ProFit installation method. All Tessera FR carpets are available with the standard latex backing, or with ProFit velour fully integrated into the FR latex backing for a quicker installation. ProFit is an adhesive-free installation system, improving efficiencies in time, cost and operation throughout the life of the vehicle. It comprises an integral velour backing to the floor covering and a special fire-retardant hook tape adhered to the subfloor. The advantages of using the ProFit installation system over traditional fully bonded adhesive systems mean cost savings for train operators as a result of quicker and easier installation and replacement, no need to wait for the adhesive to dry, no waiting time before the carpet can be walked on, immediate use of the train after installation. Delivering maximum efficiencies in time and cost. Forbo offer a comprehensive range of tailored services for both new build and refurbishment projects that ensure maximum efficiencies from delivery to storage, from labelling to packaging, and from installation to operation, all designed to save time and cost. For more information or to request a visit from a key account manager, please contact Forbo Flooring Systems either by telephone, email or online. If you'd like to be kept up to date regarding product updates, industry news and events, then sign up via our website to our quarterly newsletter, Transpress. And don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn and Twitter for daily updates, regular blogs and current industry news.